Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the basics ready. Make sure your Android TV is online and has Android 9 or newer and at least 2 GB RAM so Chrome runs smoothly. Once done, open the Play Store on your TV and search for Google Chrome. Install it if listed. If Chrome isn't available, prepare to sideload. Enable install from unknown sources for the file manager or launcher you'll use, and connect a USB drive or set up ADB on your PC. Now install and get Chrome running. If you sideload, copy the APK to a USB stick or push it with ADB, then install with the TV file manager. Verify the APK matches a known release to avoid issues. Open Chrome from the Apps row, use the remote's D-pad for basic navigation, or pair a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard for easier control. Make sure you sign into your Google account so bookmarks and passwords sync. This saves time and keeps your settings consistent across devices. Finish by configuring Chrome for TV use. Enable desktop mode for better site layouts, set default zoom and text size to suit 16:9 displays, and allow downloads to internal or USB storage so files save predictably. Make sure hardware acceleration is on for smoother video. Disable extensions if a page misbehaves. If something goes wrong, force stop Chrome, clear cache and app data, then reinstall. If issues persist, try a different stable APK build. This usually resolves compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.